Today and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with biology past question 2019 and we'll be solving question 22. Deficiency in insulin could lead to A. Cirrhosis, B. Hepatitis, C. Diabetes, D. Nephritis. So firstly, there's a deficiency in insulin. You ask yourself, what is insulin? Now, insulin is a hormone that is produced by the beta cells. Now it is a hormone and it is what produced by the beta cells. Of the pancreatic islet. Now what this insulin does is to regulate metabolism. So insulin regulates metabolism by promoting the absorption of glucose. Now it regulates metabolism by promoting absorption of glucose. So if an organism does not have insulin, the promotion of the absorption of glucose will be hindered, thereby accumulation of glucose occurs. Now diabetes is an illness that is due to the accumulation of excess glucose in the body tissue and glucose that has not been absorbed. So from this explanation, you agree with me that the deficiency in insulin will lead to diabetes. So the correct answer to this particular question is option C, diabetes. Thank you and God bless you. Please